There is something that our leaders are supposed to do. Before they start doing all this their leadership, they're supposed to go and learn about leadership. I know this is one of the things that makes our leaders not getting it right. If you wanted to rule as a leader, go and learn about leadership. If it happens that they learn about leadership before leading, so it will be more easier for them to lead this country. But you will see them like this, they don't care about learning about leadership. They always go another country to go and enjoy themselves, see how things are, like enjoying themselves in other countries. But they will not emulate that to bring it to the country Nigeria and start that same leadership. You go to another country and you see what they are doing is good. Why can't you emulate that? Only what you people can emulate is that so country have more ammunitions, so country have more guns and the bombs, so country have different rifles, so country have different war equipment. So we have to buy more war equipment. And there is no war in Nigeria. Okay, the Boko Haram you claim you are fighting, we have already gotten the equipment to stop all those things. But you people cannot do that, understand? You'll be buying war equipment, be keeping, so that when there is war between you people and Biafra, that you can go and strategize and capacitate to understand, to conquer and bash on bigly on Biafrans. So now, fine, that is good, because I know this country always buy equipment against, so now against Biafra and the Nigeria, but I pray there is no war, there will be no war. And the insurgents that you people have been talking about, we are fighting insurgents. Fine, you try by trying to tell us that you are fighting insurgents. But if you are fighting that insurgents, come clean. Come clean, you are paying, come clean. Understand? So that we will know that these people are fighting insurgents and they are fighting for us. A situation or a process whereby it's quite unfortunate that somebody will tell you that this is what I'm fighting, and the person will not actually be fighting the thing that he or she is telling that is fighting. So if you people want to fight insurgents, you know how to do it. But why are you people zigzagging? Are you a snake? I just want to ask you, are you a snake that you are zigzagging? So in a process whereby it's quite unfortunate, or a situation whereby it's very, very fantastically unfortunate that the people that claim that they're supposed to be leading us, do you know what is leadership? In a leadership, you can have two things. Number one, you are leading by example. Number two, you are leading and you are just doing without any example. So that is true, but you have to lead with example in case those people learning from you, they are going to be learning with your examples. But if you are telling that and there is no exemplification that we can follow, or somebody that will succeed you, your successor. Okay, now God will bless every hand that share this video. God is going to bless any eyes that watches the video. God is going to bless anybody that contribute to the comment section, following, liking, and subscribing. But there is something I wanted to tell you. I'm telling you with your heart, you can subscribe and like. I'm not blessing you because of only your subscription. I'm blessing you because God has already blessed you. So I'm just trying to remind you, understand, that you already be blessed. And the holy book, whether you read on Quran, you read in the Bible, you read in any place you can read, but because your own book, then let the God you serve bless you. I'm not saying my God bless you, but I will say Almighty God. We know that we have only Almighty God. So if you believe that the Almighty God is Jehovah Shammah, fine. If you believe that the Almighty God is not Jehovah Shammah, fine. But let your God bless you, and let the blessing be intact, and let it last forever. Even after your departure on this earth, let the blessing follow you to your children, your generations. And I pray that let Jehovah Almighty, or any God you serve, blesses you. Good morning this morning once again. I miss you. No Allah. Mo mo anye mo okosong. Anyhow, just call it a day. Let me use this. I've gone. I've come. So God bless you.